We are at 702 Star Pointe Drive, Seffner, Florida 33584. This is the new section of pipe that we replaced. This is from the 4-inch clean out also. That's right here. That's by the flower bed. Look at that toilet paper right there. There she goes. Going all the way to City Tap. There's City Tap right there. This is one connection coming from our new pipe from schedule 40 to 3034. And then I want to turn it around so y'all can see under the house. Not under the house, but our connection that we did here, which is right here.